Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update resolve project settings for HDR delivery, complete guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Click on the File menu in the top left corner. Select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Project Settings window, navigate to the Master Settings tab. Find the Timeline Formats section. Set your timeline resolution to match your intended HDR delivery. For HDR projects, consider using 4K resolution or higher. Next, locate the Color Management section in the Project Settings. Select Color Science and choose DaVinci YRGB Color Managed. Set the gamma to Rec Point. Choose Rec Point 2020 as your color space under Output Color Space. This will ensure your project is prepared for HDR standards. Move to the Output Blank section. Set the video monitoring option to support your HDR format. Ensure your display is HDR capable for accurate monitoring. Adjust the data level to full for HDR projects. Click on the Deliver tab to prepare for export. In the render settings, select the appropriate format, like ProRes or DNxHR. Enable Use Custom Name for easy file management. Check the box for HDR if available in your export settings. In the Video tab, set color space to Rec Point 2020. Confirm that all settings reflect your Finally, hit the Add to Render Queue button. Click Start Render to export your HDR project. Your project is now optimized for HDR delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.